I'm Dr. Sarat S, a dental surgeon currently pursuing my PGDM in Hospital and Healthcare Management, specializing in healthcare IT. After graduation, I used to believe my path was clear: clinical practice, patient care, a traditional medical career. But my turning point came when I understood that healthcare isn't just about treating patients, but about understanding complex systems, technological innovations, and strategic management. That's when I made the decision to pivot from the clinical practice to healthcare management. One of the most transformative aspects of my journey at IIHMR Bangalore was the incredible mentorship I received. During my summer training program at Conferry, India, in the healthcare and the life sciences vertical, I was initially overwhelmed, but my faculty mentor was instrumental during the critical phase. He didn't just guide me through the technical aspects of my presentation, but helped me build confidence in translating my clinical perspective into the strategic narrative. IIHMR Bangalore isn't just an educational institution for me, it is a transformative journey. The journey culminating with me being placed at Deloitte, USA. The healthcare IT specialization gave me tools to understand how technology can revolutionize patient care and healthcare delivery. My journey from a hospital setting to being placed at Deloitte wasn't just a career change, it was a mission to reimagine healthcare. And IIHMR Bangalore was the catalyst that made the transformation possible. Finally, I would like to thank IIHMR Bangalore, the faculty mentors, and everyone who supported me throughout this journey. Their guidance has been instrumental in shaping my personal and professional growth. I'm excited to continue making a positive impact in the healthcare sector, and I'll always cherish the memories and lessons from my time here.